Good morning, students. In the last class, we have learned about the solid waste. Its effects will be learned today's lecture. Earlier, we have learned the sources and the characteristics of solid waste. Before we start, what are the effects? We can look into the reasons for the excess of generation of solid waste. The main cause for the rapid growth in the quantity of solid waste are overpopulation, urbanization, affluence, technology, etc. Now, overpopulation, we all know that India is a very populated place, and there is a lot of solid waste generated. Densely populated places will be having a more generation of waste than uh, comparatively lower populated areas. So population is one reason for all sort of population pollution, like water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and same like the generation of waste. Then urbanization also have led to the generation of waste. So comparing a city and a village, normally city will be having more generation of solid waste than the village. So that is about urbanization. Then affluence means a state of the term affluence means a state of wealth or money. So when we are having more wealth or more money, we'll go for new products, or we'll be buying new things in our house, which causes the existing things as a place, or we'll be finding place to dump the existing items. So that is also a reason for the excess generation of solid waste. Then technology is very much advanced these days, which in just in a case of our mobile phones itself, uh, there is a lot of advancements which causes a lot of waste in the electronic segments. Mainly technology advances in the electronic side, therefore dumping of electronic waste or e-waste or hazardous waste will lead to the generation of solid waste. So that is the causes. Now we can move on to the effects of solid waste. Health hazard is a very common one. Health hazard occurs even in the case of other pollutions. Health hazard, the problem of the solid waste is we are dumping the solid waste into a landfill area, or uh, we are incinerating them. Definitely they will cause the atmosphere polluted, or they can cause the environment hazards. They can create unsanitary condition causing disease organisms. Disease causing organisms are created, and this organisms spread through insects, flies, or such contamination, and water and food gets contaminated. This leads to large epidemic outbreaks. Also, the radioactive substances present in the uh, waste can also cause a number of diseases in the human being. Also, the improper handling of solid waste, that is its proper waste management. When the waste management is not carried out properly, they can seriously affect the health, environment health. Then uncontrolled hazardous waste from industries mixing up with the municipal waste creates a potential risk to the human health. That traffic accidents can also cause the spillage of toxic waste, uh, which causes which contains heavy metals, and can cause a serious problem to the environment. Also, the dumping and the discharge of the sewerage or the drainage system can also cause serious problems. uh, then chemical poisoning through chemical inhalation, uncollected waste can obstruct the storm water resulting in flood. Then it can cause the decomposition of waste into chemical constituents, can cause local environmental pollutions. So the major concern is the management. If the waste is properly managed, we can reduce the health hazard to some extent. Now, looking into the environmental side or environmental concern, major concern is gas released by decomposing of the garbage. Methane is a byproduct of the anaerobic respiration of bacteria, and these bacteria can live in the landfills with a high amount of moisture. So when the methane reaches up to 50 percentage, the composition of landfill gas at maximum anaerobic decomposition. A second problem with these gases is the enhanced greenhouse gas effect and climatic change. So decomposition and putrefaction is an environmental impact problem. Burning of solid waste leads to air pollution. Solid waste reduces the aesthetic value of land. Then percolation of decomposed garbage dumps into soil may result into pollution of underground water and land. That is liquid leachate. Leachate can be formed through surface runoff, that is when rainwater occurs, and rainwater falls on these solid waste, they form a leachate. And these if the liquid leachate management is not carried out properly, it can cause a threat to the surface and the groundwater system. So use of dense clay deposit at the bottom of the waste pits coupled with the plastic sheeting prevents the infiltration in the surrounding soil, and this can be regarded as a strategy to reduce the excess liquid. So that is a way of managing the uh, leash in the underground water. Then landfills are also burning of solid waste. It can lead to air pollution. That's already I told in the previous uh, slide. Then aesthetic value gets reduced, is that um, many places we don't have empty landfills. Very few existing landfills in the world's poorest countries would meet environmental standards accepted in the industrialized nations. With very less budgets, few sites are only uh, evaluated to use in the future. So this also is due to the rapid urbanization. So, moving into the social effects, people develop sentiments on waste. A city with a hazardous waste facility is now perceived as an undesirable place to live. So, a common threat to the future unites people from across the globe is that the sentiments towards the waste, they do not want them in their neighborhoods. Countless stories of social effects on people living near waste have decorated the news in the recent years. That is, there can be sentiments towards the waste. The issue of solid waste is a relatively a new issue, but the dumping it in the distant rural areas and city landfills and the desire for the other side for dumping them in the rural areas is problem. A city with a hazardous waste facility is now perceived as an undesirable place to live. So, if we are dumping it in the city itself, it can result to a place where it becomes difficult to live. Then the economic effects of solid waste is that it have received limited attention. Impact of the solid waste on the economy is a negative one. One economic effect of living near a hazardous waste site disposal may increase the tax. The waste generation and its dumping can also increase to a land tax, or the hazardous waste site disposal can increase the tax, because hazardous waste can cause a negative impact on the environment. Then the three R's can be used for the waste management. The three R's are the reduce, reuse, recycle. Thereby we can reduce the dumping of waste uh, ex- to a limited extent. Then we have e-waste, the sources of e-waste, and radioactive waste to be discussed in the today's class, that we shall go through in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.